A few months ago, we had set up the filters button, and what that did is that allowed for, especially for people that had large databases, being able to get into the filters. The more I played with that, and I just didn't like the way we implemented it. So what I did this last week was we made a change so that it is now a drop down. So if you click on the drop down on this, you can pick which filter that you've got saved. And if you don't have any, it may just say edit filters, which is fine. If you go into edit filters, it'll bring you to the filter contact screen, just like we did before, whenever you click on that button. The thing about this is you can come in here and you can specify different categories, types, statuses, your sources, milestones, languages, preferences, all your tags about what you like, want or don't want, or actually what you want. I'm still working on a not option where you want certain things but not others. Don't have that yet, but that is on my my working list. But what you can do is once you set up, like in this case, presidents, I had set up a president's drop down by selecting it and then coming down here and say save filter as. You give it a name and then it adds it to this drop down. Well, once it's added to this drop down, it now becomes a drop down option on this list. So now if I just want to switch to my 8x8s, or I want to switch to presidential, or whatever, I can switch between them a whole lot quicker, a whole lot easier now.